Welcome to Conquer e-learning. This session is all about LMS portal tutorial. So we'll be this is how our LMS portal looks like. The outline of the LMS portal looks actually like this. So we'll be discussing one by one like what are the features and everything in detail. So first coming across the courses, like how to enroll the courses, or if you wanted to enroll for the new courses, so you can, there are three ways of it. Like first one is clicking on courses, you'll be going directly to the courses. Here there are n number of courses which our company offers for you, so you can click on like whatever the course you wish to, you can click on that and you can enroll for the courses. So that is one way. If you go if you wanted to go back, you can click on Conquer e-learning, so you will be coming to the actual page. And the second one, like where you can enroll the courses, is that get started. If you click on get started, and again the same thing, the same page will be open. Click on Conquer e-learning, you will be getting back to the home page. So this is the second method. And coming to the third method, like how you can enroll the courses, is if you scroll down, there will be n number of courses like full stack web development, data science, like that. So you can just click on one course. Let me say machine learning. If we click on that, the page will open like this. So here you'll be having like what are the like course price and everything. So if you want to enroll for the courses, you can just click on contact admin, then our admins, like you will be getting contacted with our admins. So this is all about if you wanted to get it enrolled to the courses. And yeah, that's all about the courses. And coming, if you scroll down, like if you have any doubts or if you have any queries regarding enrollments or courses or something, you can just drop your first name, last name, and email ID, phone number, and whatever the query you are having, you can just type it out here and you can just submit. To enroll for the courses, after enrolling, like if you want to listen the classes, you can go to the sign up. If you are the first before you, if you haven't have an account, you can create the account from here. You can just click on sign up. Then on, you can enter the email, like your email. After that, click on continue. After that, type your name, search anything. After that, type the phone number of yours. After that, set any password of your wish. After that, confirm the password. After that, this is optional. Only the things which are in red mark, like red star, those are important. After that, just create account. You will be directed to this page. Like this is a dashboard normally. This is how the LMS portal, your classes will be like in this only. So this is how it looks. Don't panic that the dashboard is empty. Like I have enrolled for the courses, but they are not showing here. Do not panic for that. Instead, you can go to here. There is a help, like there is a feature called help, right? You can go there. After going there, like it will be like this. You can drop a message like why, like you are having about trouble or something. You can drop here, and after click on send, so that our team will be coordinating with you and your problem will be solved. This is one way. Or either you can just click on the phone number and you can just make a call, so that you can be directly talk to that person. So this is how, like if it does not work, this is how it looks like. Explained like when the courses are not on the dashboard, you can contact to the help. If you are enrolled for the courses, this is how it looks like all the courses you are enrolled for, it will be visible here. Like for like as I'm an admin, I just made sure that the courses are here, which are Python and full stack web development. So these are the courses I just enrolled now. So this is how it looks like when we come across the features that are available. This is home how it looks like. After that, coming to the my courses, like what are the courses you are enrolled for, that that will be available here. And like these are the courses like Python, full stack web development. These are like what I enrolled. After that, coming to the announcements, like if the mentor wanted to announce something, he will be announcing it here, so that it directly reaches for you. After that, calendar. Here the classes what are scheduled, like for suppose you can see here 7 period here. After coming to the exams, like what are the exams, past exams, upcoming exams will be there here. After the certificates that you got and you are going to get will be here. After the purchases will be there. After that settings will be there, and also like help, I already explained you about it. So coming to the home, if you wanted to go if there are any classes for today, like it will be popping up here, so that it would be like a reminder, so you will never be forgetting. So if you can see here, there is a class today which is Python 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So coming to the down, there is the at a glance, this is a reminder section totally, like what are the classes will be there or be ready, such reminders will be available here. You always make sure that you are checking the at a glance and today's classes. And after coming to the courses, if you go into that, the same thing appears here. So if you go into the particular course, for suppose I came into the Python, this is everything, like you will be knowing like what are you going to learn, and what you after enrolling the course, what you will be learning after completing course, what you will be learning, everything bit to bit will be there in this, like what are the benefits and what are the timings, a scheduled way it will be there, so that it would be useful for you what you are doing, that will be so clear. So coming to the recording classes, you can see up. So like if you are busy at the time when the class is streaming, if you have missed the class, here there is availability of class recordings, so that after when you're free, then you can listen the classes, like whatever classes you have missed, you can listen everything. So this is how it works. And after the announcement, I have already explained, the mentor will be announcing important things here. And coming to the more about the course, it will be there like this, the entire course details will be there, and certificates, so like what are the certificates you are getting, and purchase details also will be there. So this is about the, like if you go into the course, it will be about us. And if you can like press on contact us, there again there will be entire details and everything, you can just describe it and you can submit it if any queries are there. And this is all about how LMS portal works. And